Hi, this is Jimmy with Kilowatt Pest Control. Today we're at this great customer's house where they've been having some rodent issues. The customer purchased the home, and when they purchased it, the rodents had eaten through piping, had eaten through electrical, so they ended up doing like a big renovation, and that got rid of most of their problem. But one of the things that is very important when you're doing rodent is to also include exclusion so that they can't come back into your home afterwards. So some of the stuff that we're looking at and working on today is those preventative measures on how to keep the rodents from coming back and finding new nests and nesting back in your house. So as you've seen this white foam. This is a construction foam. This is really good for filling holes that give rodents access to coming into your home, right? So along piping, along gaps in baseboards or wall boards in some of these older homes. So this is really good. However, if you just put this in, the rodents will chew back through it, but to add some type of a material that they don't like. So the material that we prefer to use is actually a steel wool. So what we do is when we find a hole, we will push steel wool through it first, and then we will fill that hole with the gap filler, right? What happens is the rats can chew through all kinds of things. Like they like to chew to try to wear down their teeth because their teeth are constantly growing. So rats will chew on everything from concrete, and they can work their way through concrete, to drywall and wood, plastic piping. So it's very common for rats to chew through things to help keep their teeth down. They don't like the texture of the steel wool. So even though it's something that they could also chew through, it's very uncomfortable for them. So by putting the steel wool in first and then closing up the hole, you are able to keep them from reusing that as an access point, coming back to the same place and digging through.